This is Powerwall Ramp, a tool developed by Tesla to assist in the unloading of Powerwall 3. Powerwall Ramp is custom designed with the installer in mind. Powerwall 3 ships with this reusable packaging, which consists of a top piece and a bottom piece that are banded together. The packaging is designed to securely stack on top of another package during transportation. With Powerwall 3 inside, the packaging is heavy, and unloading it requires special care. Powerwall Ramp assists installers in removing the packaging from a truck when there are multiple Powerwalls stacked for transportation. Powerwall Ramp consists of two side rails. One end of each side rail clamps onto the top piece of packaging. The other end of each rail rests on the ground. A lateral support connects the two rails for stability. Powerwall 3 packaging slides down the ramp, allowing installers to easily transport it to the installation location. To use the ramp, installers will need cut-resistant gloves and safety footwear. Additionally, two pry tools will be needed, which can be crafted from EMT or channel strut. To use Powerwall Ramp, start by clamping the red latch onto the Powerwall packaging below the one being unloaded. Powerwall Ramp comes in two variations, with a ratchet clamp and with a pin clamp. For both types, begin by engaging the bottom clamp here, then extending the top clamp onto the packaging here. The ratcheting clamp will automatically lock into place and can be adjusted or removed with this lever. The pin clamp requires installers to lock the clamp into place with the provided pin. Perform a pull test to make sure the ramps are secured to the packaging. Release these pull pins to extend each ramp until they are resting between a 0 and 5 degree incline. Use the integrated level to verify that the ramp is properly positioned. Resecure the pull pins. Ensure that they are locked in place by pulling lightly on the bottom portion of the rail. Release the lateral support latch from the right-hand rail and secure it to the left-hand rail. Ensure that the lateral support is securely attached to the left-hand rail. As a secondary safety measure, place sandbags at the bottom of the rails. Working with a partner, insert the two pry tools into this cavity to leverage the Powerwall 3 packaging up and off the stack. Pry a second time to position the Powerwall 3 packaging onto the ramp. With a partner, pull Powerwall straight out until it starts to tip forward onto the ramp on its own. Do not push down on the packaging to tip it onto the ramp. Only grab the top of the packaging. Do not attempt to lift the Powerwall 3 packaging from beneath. Ensure the Powerwall 3 packaging is securely sitting on the ramps. Push the Powerwall 3 packaging down the ramps. Use extra caution when conditions are wet, snowy, or windy. Remove the two sandbags without stepping in front of Powerwall's path. Slide Powerwall all the way down to the bottom of the ramp. Powerwall 3 is now ready to be loaded onto Powerwall Dolly and transported to the mounting location. For further information and details, refer to the Powerwall 3 installation manual and the Powerwall Ramp work instructions.